Hello, gems. This is Syafire, and I literally just spent a lot of time recording this how to make a bun in VRoid studio tutorial, and then I realized my mic wasn't on literally the whole time I was recording. So I'm just gonna give you guys a speed paint today. If you want, you can slow down the playback time if you want to see how to make a quick bun in VRoid Studio. This is not mega accurate, but it's a good way if you want to get it quickly done or get it in place. Anyways, I am just going to be doing a voiceover today with this speed paint because of what happened. I just first want to thank you guys for, we're at almost 2.3k subscribers on the channel, and I never expected the channel to grow this much. And I've been doing a lot of tutorials and helping everybody out, but I'm starting to get to a point where I'm not really sure what to make anymore. So I would love if you guys could drop in the comments some feedback about some of the tutorials you'd like to see. I'm starting to get to a little bit of a point where I am unsure what to put out, and I guess I just want to be able to help you guys. I just don't know what you guys need help with. So if you guys could drop comments down below saying what you'd like to see tutorial on, that would be super duper helpful. Anyways, in this video, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what we've been doing over on Twitch, so I can sort of update everybody on YouTube what has been going on. So we have something over on Twitch we do every Monday called Motivational Mondays, and it's really great. And if you want to participate in Motivational Mondays, go ahead and click the Discord link down below. It's a great place to share your work and to show people what you've been working on, whether it's music, game dev, writing, anything of that nature. It's a really great place. You can even show off your VRoid model if you're working on anything for your VTuber, and it's a giant just chatting and showcase stream. So we do it live, we hang out, and it is a very good time. It's very inspirational, very motivating, one of my favorite days ever. We also do something over there called Work Hard Wednesdays. So Work Hard Wednesdays is a place where we focus on projects or things that we really care about. Right now I am working on building out a whole 3D pastel aesthetic room that you've seen at the beginning of some of my YouTube videos. I'm really excited about it. I plan on doing a whole bunch of world building. We've been doing that slowly. It's definitely been taking a lot of time, but I've really been enjoying that. So Work Hard Wednesdays is a day to promote projects or working on your content or your VTuber, anything you really care about. And lastly, we have Fun Fridays. Right now we're playing on the Minecraft server for the Eternal Gems. That's the name of our community. Right now the server is a sub-only server, so you'd have to sub to my channel on Twitch. However, in the future we might open it up to the public. That's what we've been doing over on Twitch so far. That's how things have been going. We also just hit 2.5k followers on Twitch. I'm going to be doing a cosplay stream to celebrate 2.5k. So if you guys want to vote for what cosplay you want to see on stream, I'm going to drop that straw poll down below as well. Anyways, I just want to go into a little bit of a motivating speech for people who want to become a VTuber but feel like they can't get started. Lots of people, when it comes to content creation, get stuck in this mindset of, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to start, I have no idea, you know, or I want it to be perfect. I have to make sure everything's ready. I have to make sure my model is there, is perfect, it is greatly crafted, and there's nothing wrong with it. When you get into this mindset, it's really bad because there is this point where you keep telling yourself, this needs to be ready, this needs to be ready, this needs to be ready. And if you need things to constantly be ready, or you want things to constantly be better, you're never going to start. And what I personally think is, I think it's worse to never start. The worst thing you could possibly do if you're afraid of failure as a VTuber, or you're afraid of failure as a content creator, is to never start at all. Not starting at all is literally worse than making bad content, in my opinion. And I think most people are pretty passionate and care when they start off. I don't think it's super easy to make bad content because a lot of people care and they want to try to make it good. But my biggest fear for everybody is not starting at all. You just want to start, because for me, going into a little bit of backstory about sort of where I was at, I've been streaming for 4 years and I didn't start becoming a VTuber until August of 2020. I was doing YouTube videos for a while and I was sort of releasing them sporadically, and I was just kind of doing random stuff. I was coming up with ideas. I had this wall mural speed paint that I had out a while ago that I was working on. There were so many random things I was doing until eventually I did the how to make a VTuber tutorial, and that did really well. And when that did well, I found a niche that I really enjoyed working in and that worked well for me. What you want to do is you really just want to keep shooting baskets until you make the shot, until you land the shot, and then you'll get more of a bit of a clear direction of which way you should go in. So again, I really want to emphasize to anybody who's thinking of becoming a VTuber, please just start. Because if you're just sitting there, not even just VTubers, honestly, content creators in general, if you want to make content content, literally just start. Stop trying to make the perfect things. Stop trying to craft something that's going to be, you think, oh, this has got to be really good. This has got to be great. No, just post your content. Start working on it. Don't be afraid to start. And also keep in mind, it's going to take you a long time to grow. Don't expect to have so many people right away. That's really hard. It's very hard to have that unless you have a very established name and brand in the industry already. It takes a long time of cultivating and creating a space and creating a community and creating a place where people feel like they can belong to really start building your content. And that takes time to figure out, and that's okay. But the worst thing you can do is not start. So please just start. Anyways, that's all I really have to say about content creation. But yeah, just enjoy the rest of the speed paint. And if you have any questions, let me know. And again, please, if you could, let me know what kinds of videos you guys are interested in. Thanks.